Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I didn't want to make this video just because I didn't want to put it on in the public, and I kind of wanted to keep it to myself just because I already started. Well, not started, but I will start doing it now after the news broke out, officially that China is banning or making, at least the Federal Bank of China or the Central Bank of China, officially made crypto transactions illegal. There's one extremely good thing that now comes out of this, right? And like I said, I didn't want to tell this to anybody because, I don't want a bunch of people to hear about it, but my YouTube isn't big, so fuck it. I'll at least have it, for the people who see it. If you guys end up doing it, great. If not, then oh well. But mining has essentially not even cut in half. It got cut by even big of a percentage. The biggest Bitcoin mining, the biggest just in general crypto mining came from China. It wasn't, China doesn't mine 50% of the crypto. It mines like 60 or 70% of the crypto, right? The US has nothing on China as far as crypto mining. The vast warehouses and systems that the Chinese have to mine crypto is out of this world. Something that you cannot imagine, right? Huge massive systems to mine crypto. And evidently that is all basically going bust or is bust. All exchanges in China are essentially shutting down. All staking pools are going down. It's already happening. It actually started happening before China officially illegalized the transactions of crypto. So, I think, if mining crypto wasn't lucrative before, it just increased 10-20 fold by China officially, making crypto transactions illegal. And you could say, oh, maybe you can find a back way to do it, like a loophole. No. In order for you to actually, you would mine crypto and the transaction would happen as soon as that crypto gets mined, and then you transfer it out or you sell it. That would be, otherwise you can't cash out, right? So unless you want to fully keep all your money in crypto, then, you have to either shut down or something else, because there's no way that you can make any kind of crypto transaction in China. If you transfer Bitcoin to, if you move, if you transfer or if you convert Bitcoin into Ethereum, you're making a transaction. If you sell your Bitcoin or Ethereum, you're making a transaction. If you use Bitcoin to buy something in China, you're making a transaction, and it's now illegal. So, it's that transaction, law that basically keeps every single miner in China from making any money, or at least making it usable, right? They basically cut off the source of, hey, you can't do anything. You can probably mine it. I don't think mining is illegal, but the actual transactions of doing anything with crypto, that's the illegal portion. So, if you're a miner and you're actually caught, converting Bitcoin into the Chinese yen, dollar, whatever they're called, that's essentially an illegal act in Chinese law. So, I can only assume that you're going to have an insane amount of not only Bitcoin miners, but, Litecoin, Doggy, Ethereum, whatever. I can only assume that you're going to have so many miners in China absolutely shut doors, because it's completely illegal. Now it's completely illegal, not necessarily to mine crypto, but the transaction to crypto, which basically negates all the mining that gets done anyways. So what's the point if you're doing something if you're not getting paid, right? If anything, they can probably move their mining rigs to a different country, whatever, that's fine, but it's not going to recover 100%, after China has officially made it illegal from this, or the central bank, right? And I think mining at whatever it is right now, it just got cut off by 50%. So I just bought 2 HNT miners. I'm probably gonna look into mining Ethereum and Dogecoin probably. So like I said, it's not something that I wanted to tell people because I just wanted to do it myself. I basically just want to sell the shovel to, you know, to all these people trying to catch the gold, right? But we'll see how it turns out. You know, I bought 2 HNT miners, I think a week or two ago. I'm expecting them to arrive in a couple months. You know, I'll start reviewing them, but I'm more than likely also going to be purchasing an Ethereum miner, more than likely a Doggy miner. I'm going to see how those work out, and then, you know, we'll do that kind of going forward. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.